we're so excited that you're joining us today. We're going to unveil a bungalow makeover, and we're starting with the entryway. This is part of a series that we started last week. Today we're going to unveil the entry.
Yeah, last week we actually had a video that had all the display boards for all the different places inside of the bungalow, but today it's just the entryway.
Yes, welcome to Emilee and Lora. I'm Emilee.
And I am Lora.
Please like and subscribe. Your support means the world to us. So if you saw our inspiration boards last week, we had two different options that we were kind of going back and forth between. And you can see what we have decided. We did have a budget issue that kind of made us do most of, but not all of the initial board that we had with the wainscoting. So we had to forego the wallpaper. That's something they can always add at another time.
Right. Well, the wainscoting was so important in this space. We need some architectural detail inside this space. And we have this hall closet over here that really is not a hall closet, although it looks like it was one originally, but it's now part of the master closet.
Yes.
So we needed to create this space right here with these pegs for people when they come over, and they can hang their coats and their hats and purses.
There you go.
And every day you can use it. Last week we mentioned that we were going to be painting, as you can see in that video, everything is very blue-gray. And we really needed this to be wide open and spacious, and we needed light. There isn't any overhead lighting in this space, so we had to bring a lot of lighting in, and how we did that was painting everything white.
A little peekaboo color of the blue kind of in the back hallway, but it's not going to be overpowering in this main room.
No, and we do have blue in this space.
Yes.
So it actually makes sense. And we did that purposefully. Yeah, we knew that the rest of the house was not going to get painted, so we wanted to embrace that blue.
And then you have a little spot to put your shoes when you get off the bench. Put your shoes under there.
Super important in Seattle.
Yes.
Yeah.
You have lots of boots and just different types of weather. Yeah.
Here, you probably don't know that, but it does. And we need a place to put our shoes. Otherwise, they get all up in the entryway on the rug.
Which is why we have a very large entry rug.
Yes, yes.
So this size fits the space perfectly because it defines it, it welcomes all of the accessories we have here, but it still stays clear of the walkway that kind of goes throughout the other part of the room.
Yeah, you have to be very cautious of that when you're laying out your spaces inside of your home, that where's the flow of traffic? And you really don't want a rug overlapping into a flow of traffic because people trip.
We have this beautiful rug. It's going to be easily washable and wearable.
Extremely durable.
Yes.
Yeah.
Love, love, love. You're going to want this.
Yeah.
We accessorized with a mirror because, you know, you got to see yourself coming in and out of the house, right?
Yes.
We put it just above this picture ledge, and I think it's perfect for most people. Lora can still see it, can you?
Yeah, I'm the shortest here. I'm 5'3", and I definitely can see inside of that. So,
yes.
When you are doing a wainscoting, you need to consider the height of the room and how you're going to divide up that wainscoting. In this situation, they're 92-inch ceilings. So we did the 1/3, 2/3 rule. And that is bringing our wainscoting up to 2/3 of the wall, and then you have your 1/3 right here.
Yeah.
Which was a perfect height for
It
this.
was perfect.
And that's actually pretty standard height for wainscoting.
And then your pegs, we just placed them just below this picture ledge. You had enough room to put on your coat or your bag. And then also wasn't gonna just bonk you every single time you go to lean back at all. Boop.
Yeah, we had someone in here the other day who is over 6 feet, and we had him sit there to make sure that his head didn't hit, and it was perfect.
It was great.
I love how we kept the pegs natural too.
I know.
Yeah, it kind of
ties in.
picks up on all the natural elements inside the space,
And I don't know, pops off the wainscoting. It's
Yes, yes. And the other important thing is that this goes into a doorway. And when you have a doorway, you don't just want to end it at the doorway, you need to consider the entire wall. So you'll see here that we extended it onto the other side, even though it's a shorter wall, and just made our measurements according to what we had.
Always, as you are talking about that, something to note is that you want your smallest pieces towards the corner. So as you're doing your math, make sure that you keep all your panels. All of our panels are 20 inches. And then when we got down towards the end over here, you can see that one is not, and that's really where you want your smaller panels, in the corners.
Yes, so it just kind of dies off
Over exactly.
there. And then we had to accessorize with a few pictures for our picture ledge. So
Yeah, that was important.
Yeah.
That one's pretty special to the homeowner. So it got front row. Get to see it when you walk in.
yes.
So we hope that you have enjoyed this, and we definitely want you to come back because it only gets better.
Yes.
Next is going to be the gallery wall, and we are super excited to show you that. Our clients have some amazing art pieces.
Yes, it comes from a family of artists and collectors and travel people. So this is going to be awesome. You'll get a little sneak peek as you see some of these images we're showing you. But stay tuned for the next one.
We can't show you everything today. You gotta come back.
It's going to be great. We cannot wait. We will do a huge unveiling of the entire room situation that we have going on here at the very, very end.
Yeah. So thank you so much for watching our video today, and please don't forget to like and subscribe, and we just appreciate you being here.
Thank you so much.